The Military Freefall Parachutist Badge is a military badge of the United States Army and United States Air Force awarded to qualified U.S. Army and U.S. Air Force personnel as high-altitude military parachute specialists. Qualifications. To earn the Military Freefall Parachutist Badge, the military member first must receive all necessary ground training. Already have earned the Military Parachutist Badge, jump qualified, and must have completed the requisite freefall, night, combat equipment, oxygen, jumps and graduate from the Military Freefall Parachutist course. A star and laurel wreath, centered above the badge, called the Master Military Freefall Parachutist Badge, is authorized for U.S. Army soldiers and U.S. Air Force Airmen qualified as a Master Military Freefall Parachutist Jump Master. Such qualification requires completing the Military Freefall Jump Master course, wherein the student learns how to be a jump master in military freefall operations. As with the U.S. Army's Military Parachutist Badge, small bronze and gold stars are placed on the badge to represent participation in combat jumps, known as combat jump devices, and can be awarded with either the basic and master versions of the badge. To earn the device, a military freefall parachutist must have conducted a high-altitude, low-opening, halo, or high-altitude, high-opening, HAHO, jump in a war zone. The stars are awarded as follows. History. The Military Freefall Badge original design was submitted in March 1983 by Sergeant First Class Gregory A. Daly of SFODA 552. Company B. 2nd Battalion, 5th Special Forces Group. Updates on the design, adding a Master Military Freefall Parachutist Badge were submitted by General Wayne A. Downing of U.S. Special Operations Command, USSOCOM, and James Phillips of the Special Forces Association. The badge was approved for wear by U.S. Army soldiers assigned to U.S. Army Special Operations Command, USASOC, on 1 October 1994. Unrestricted wear was approved on 7 July 1997 by General Dennis Reimer. Symbolism of the badge's design. The dagger is a Fairbairn Sykes fighting knife, used by the Office of Strategic Services during World War II, and represents infiltration techniques. The arch tab represents tabs worn by Special Operations Forces. The parachute is a 7-celled MT-1X, the first ram air parachute to be adopted by the U.S. military as the standard freefall canopy. The wings represent flight and airborne capabilities. Training. The U.S. Military Freefall School, MFFS, is operated by the USASOC's John F. Kennedy Special Warfare Center and School. 1st Special Warfare Training Group, Airborne, 2nd Battalion, Company B at the U.S. Army's Yuma Proving Ground, YPG, in Arizona, which is the USSOCOM proponent for military freefall. The MFFS conducts 3 primary training courses: the Military Freefall Parachutist course, the Military Freefall Jump Master course, and the Military Freefall Advanced Tactical Infiltration course. The U.S. Air Force also conducts the Military Freefall Jump Master course, certified by USSOCOM and the MFFS. At Davis-Monthan Air Force Base for airmen that are not able to attend the MFFS's Jump Master course. Alternatively, detachments from the MFFS conduct the Military Freefall Jump Master course via mobile training. Teams for military freefall units that have difficulty attending the course at the Yuma Proving Ground. The Military Freefall Parachutist course, MFFPC, is open to Special Operations Forces assigned to military freefall coded positions, parachute riggers, and select DoD civilian personnel or allied personnel assigned to military freefall positions. To attend MFFPC, students must have graduated from the U.S. Army Airborne School and must meet specific medical requirements. Week 1 of the 4-week course focuses on vertical wind tunnel body stabilization training, parachute packing, and an introduction to military freefall operations. The remaining weeks focuses training on varying jump profiles using 3 airborne operations per training iteration, totaling 30 military freefall operations per course encompassing various conditions and equipment loads. At the end of the course, students will have learned how to pack the RA-1 Military Freefall Advanced Ram Air Parachute System main parachute and don the system, rigging, jumping procedures for weapons, combat equipment, night vision goggles and portable oxygen equipment, aircraft procedures, exit an aircraft from the door and ramp using dive and poised exit positions, emergency procedures and body stabilization, halo and HAHO parachute jumps from altitudes of 10,000 feet, 3,048 meters, to 25,000 feet, 7,620 meters. Upon graduation of the MFFPC, students are awarded the Military Freefall Parachutist Badge. To attend the Military Freefall Jump Master course, MFFJMC, students must have graduated from MFFPC, graduated from the U.S. Army Jump Master School, be a current military freefall parachutist, served as a military freefall parachutist for a minimum of 1 year, and must have completed at least 50 military freefall jumps. The 3-week MFFJMC focuses on training students on jump master duties and responsibilities, such as nomenclature, jump master personnel inspection, JMPI, emergency procedures, oxygen equipment, wind drift calculations, altimeter calculations, emergency automatic activation device calculations, jump commands, aircraft procedures, techniques of spotting, HAHO techniques, RAM air parachute system packing and rigging. Upon graduation of the MFFMJC, students are awarded the Master Military Freefall Parachutist Badge. To attend the Military Freefall Advanced Tactical Infiltration Course, MFFATIC, students must have the same qualifications and completed the same prerequisites required of the MFFJMC. The 3-week MFFATIC focuses on educating and training Joint Special Operations Forces and other selected personnel in the planning and conduct of night military freefall tactical infiltrations as a group onto unknown and unmarked drop zones. Training includes following: GPS-guided bundles, carrying combat equipment, communications, wearing night vision devices, non-standard weapons while using oxygen equipment, utilization of various parachutist navigational devices. Upon graduation of the MFFATIC, students are presented a certificate of completion. There is no badge or badge device awarded for completion of the MFFATIC. See also Parachutist Badge, United States, Parachutist Badge, Pathfinder Badge, Badges of the United States Army, Badges of the United States Air Force, United States Army Parachute Team, Golden Knights, United States Army Maneuver Center of Excellence Command Exhibition Parachute Team, Silver Wings, United States Special Operations Command Parachute Team, Para Commandos.